Hi everyone, this is Deb. I am here with 52 weeks of colorspiration. I have missed the last several weeks, so I apologize to Brandy again. I'm not going to make them up. I know I won't. So anyway, I used all alcohol markers. These are what I used. They're all Stampin' Up. Starry Sky, Light and Dark, which is now a retired color. Gray Granite, Light and Dark, and I think dark Smoky Slate, Light Olive Green, Light and Dark of the Wild Wheat, which is retired. I think it's Wild Wheat, yeah. Light Cherry Cobbler, Light Timid Tiger, and Light and Dark, um, Balmy Blue. Let me move them somewhere. I'll just put them over here. Okay, I'm just going to show you. I don't want to record real long right now because I'm not used to this computer yet, or it's not used to me and the editing software. So hopefully this will go up. Anyway, this is what I did. Oh, I should show you the book. The book is this one, Cozy Fall Coloring Book, and I I couldn't decide what I wanted to do. I didn't really want to do pumpkins. I think I did them already. The leaves are just about done, and I thought, well, recently I have seen some flocks of geese flying south for the winter, which is what they do around here. So I believe they are Canadian geese. They probably should have a little more white on them, but this is the dark smoky slate, which on the pictures I've seen they were black, but I didn't want to use dark black because then you can't see the little lines in them. I left a little white here and here because they do have some white. They usually have some white under here too, but I just made it light gray granite and some dark gray granite on the wings and some smoky slate there and there too. And then actually their beaks are black, but I made them orange just to add a little more color. The clouds are what I made the balmy blue, and the background sky I did in dark, but mostly light. Starry sky, was starting the ink was starting to run out in the light starry sky down here. So I put dark in the grassy area, which actually I think looks kind of cool. It makes it pop. And then the wild wheat is all I guess they're oak leaves. And these little reddish ones are I don't know what kind of leaf they are, but my neighbor has a burning bush, which now I understand we've learned is not native and we shouldn't grow them. She's got a whole row of them just on the other side of the road from my driveway, and they're beautiful. Well, they were a week ago, but we had some rain and some high winds, and we're having high winds again today and maybe some more rain. The leaves are all gone. They like fell within 2 days, most of them. So yeah, and then I have no idea what these little dots are supposed to be, so I used a glitter pen in white for those, and I made the stars silver instead of gold. I just wasn't feeling the gold. And that's about it. I didn't add any other sparkle, but I think it pops. I really don't recommend using alcohol markers for large areas like sky unless you don't really care about using up your whole marker because I used up a lot of the starry sky and I probably shouldn't have done that because I really like that color. But anyway, it is what it is and I need to use stuff up anyway. So there you have it. That's my picture for November 16th, 2025. I hope you have a great weekend and I will hopefully talk to you again soon if I can get these videos up. Okay? Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.